Are you the best manual food chopper? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the top 5 choppers on the market based on performance and price. Whether you're looking for a basic chopper or something more advanced, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the list. List number: Briefton's Express Manual Food Chopper. The Briefton's Express Manual Food Chopper is made to chop vegetables, fruits, and herbs quickly. Designed with a clear lid and bowl, it's food safe and chemical resistant to meet your needs and recommended for family use. Get the power you need to chop with the Briefton's Express Manual Food Chopper. From garlic cloves to slices of ham, this food chopper will chop your food into neat pieces and help you get your job done quickly. Use it as an onion chopper, garlic chopper, salsa maker, coleslaw chopper, cauliflower ricer, Indian chopper, manual food processor. The clear lid and bowl make it easy to see if the desired chop result has been achieved, without having to open it up fully. Features a sharp stainless steel chopper blade, anti-skid bowl, and easy pump handle collapsible for easy storage. This manual food chopper is 100% BPA-free, food safe, and requires no batteries or electricity to operate. List number: Briefton's Quick Pull Manual Food Chopper. This Quick Pull Manual Food Chopper makes cutting vegetables a breeze. Just select your food and push the button. The chop tops pop down and you're done. It features powerful blades that are ideal for chopping hard foods such as ice, onions, garlic, meat, and more. The ergonomically designed handles allow for an easy grip while moving the chopper around, making it very effortless to operate. The material used in its construction is chemical-free and BPA-free, making it safe to use. And if you hate getting watery eyes when chopping onions, this will solve it all for you. With the lid on top and onions inside the bowl, you can effortlessly chop away, all tear-free. This extra-large design has 4-cup capacity, so there's no need to worry about running out of storage space in your kitchen. List number: Manual Food Chopper Hand Chopper. Our manual food chopper is a useful tool for chopping a variety of fruits and vegetables. This hand mixer can be used to puree soups, baby foods, and sauces. It is also great for chopping ice, herbs, and spices. With the professional design, it is more convenient for you to use. This chopper is a complete kitchen must-have. Great for making pesto, guacamole, and hummus. Perfect for chopping nuts or herbs. Perfect for making meatloaf. Also perfect for making ice. And also perfect for dicing vegetables. It can also be used to make purees of raw vegetables like soups, sauces, or purees. This hand chopper is made from BPA-free, food-safe plastic that is dishwasher-safe. Perfect for making your favorite snacks and satiating a craving. The handle of the chopper allows you to easily pick up the product being processed without having to go into the bowl or jar. List number: Garlic Manual Food Chopper Vegetable Cutter. The Garlic Manual Food Chopper Vegetable Cutter is a powerful vegetable chopper with 3 stainless steel blades suitable for chopping the most stubborn ingredients like the carrots, beets, etc. It sits securely on your countertop thanks to its robust ABS plastic construction, complete with a reliable nylon drawstring closure and sturdy handle for safe storage. Stainless steel blades make it easy to chop your vegetables quickly, and the 3 blades have different heights to maximize the area of contact with the ingredients. The knife is made of durable and strong materials, ensuring that you will not have to spend a long time sharpening it again. The lid is fully protected by the nylon drawstring design, so you don't have to worry about any food going into the blade. Also, make sure to keep your blades in safe storage when they are not in use. List number: Zyliss Easy Classic Manual Food Chopper. The Zyliss Easy Classic Manual Food Chopper features an ergonomic handle, safe and easy to clean stainless steel blades, and a handy storage lid that keeps food fresh when chopped. This home gadget offers effortless chopping with smooth slices, making it the ideal kitchen essential for women and men alike. The stainless steel blades on this food chopper offer smooth, easy cuts. And the veggie chopper features a lid and storage cup to keep chopped food fresh. It's compact enough to store easily in drawers or cabinets, so you can keep it around for any mealtime needs you might have. The stainless steel blade rotates to a new position to cut through any food quickly and easily. Press the plunger for a quicker cut each time. The upper portion of picker's hand grips the handle, while the lower part of picker's hand positions the chopper in an ergonomic way to comfortably work with it.